This is a speed booster passage of 330 words in 3 minutes at a speed of 110 words per minute for Jharkhand High Court personal assistant. Be ready. Before concluding, we will very briefly refer to cases of this court cited by the counsels on both sides. The High Court took the view that under Section 561 capital A of the Code, it had inherent power to cancel bail, and finding that on the material produced before the court, it would not be safe to permit the appellant to be at large, cancelled the bail, distinguishing the decision in 1945 Law Reports and 72 Indian Appeals, and stated that the Privy Council was not called upon to consider the question about the inherent power of the High Court to cancel the bail under Section 561 capital A. This court held that Section 360, read with Section 424 of the CRPC, specifically prohibits the altering or reviewing of its order by a court. The accused applied before a succeeding sessions judge for rehearing of an appeal. The learned judge was of the view that the appellate court had no power to review or restore an appeal which has been disposed of. The Supreme Court agreed with the view that the 548 Indian Law Reports Allahabad series, the appellate court had no power to review or restore an appeal. This court, expressing its opinion that the Sessions Court had no power to review or restore an appeal, observed that a judgment which does not comply with the requirements of Section 369 of the Code may be liable to be set aside by a superior court, but will not give the appellate court any power to set it aside himself and rehear the appeal, observing that Section 369, read with Section 424 of the Code, makes it clear that the appellate court is not to alter or review the judgment once signed except for the purpose of correcting a clerical error. Reliance was placed on a decision of this court wherein it was held that rejection of a prior application for quashing is no bar for the High Court entertaining a subsequent application as quashing. Stop. ये प्योर लीगल पैसेज था 110 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड से, तो इसे लिखें, टेस्ट दें और उसे करेक्ट मैटर से चेक करें। ये मैटर आपको हमारे टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में मिल जाएगा, तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया हुआ है, उससे जुड़ें और वहाँ से आपको ये जो मैटर मिलेगा उससे अपने टाइप्ड मैटर को चेक करें और मिस्टेक्स कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताएं। और अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, और जो हमारे चैनल पर पहले से जुड़े हुए हैं उनका बहुत धन्यवाद। और मेरी तरफ से सॉरी, कुछ दिनों से पैसेजेस अपलोड नहीं हो रहे थे, कुछ पर्सनल काम आ गया था। अब झारखंड हाई कोर्ट के पैसेजेस रेगुलरली अपलोड होंगे और राजस्थान से रिलेटेड पैसेजेस भी इसी चैनल पे अपलोड होंगे, तो हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।